Hey guys, this is Golf 7 2014-15 model. We filled the air condition gas, didn't work, shows this error. Activation AC compressor open circuit, short circuit, sorry. So according to the internet, it should be either the module or the compressor or some cables or the fuse box. We checked the fuse, we checked this module, no problem. Compressor, we checked it, working. No, we found an issue. It's right there. Cable is broken, right there. The green one, the brown one, goes from here all the way down to the compressor on the other side. Okay, right there. This is the after fixing it. No fault code. Okay, enjoy.